Hi everybody, welcome to the road trip. Today we've got something different to look at, a 1980 Toyota Corolla. This is a little two-door coupe. We have Edwin with us. Edwin, thanks for showing us your car.
Hey, thanks. Thank you.
This is something different for us. Usually we're looking at American cars or even European cars. Rarely do you see a 1980 Toyota Corolla restored or preserved to concours quality like this. How many years have you had it?
I had it for 5 years. I purchased a car over in Florida, Orlando.
Did you were you looking for it? Did you just stumble across it? How'd you come across it?
I just decided to look, shopping around online. I bought it on offer.
Did you know it was this nice and this perfect?
No, I bought the car online, just in pictures, and I bought it and got it transported to Philly.
Were you surprised how nice it was when you
I
got it?
was surprised when I purchased the car.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the story on this this board here? I love the board.
Yes, the board I ordered it online. That's the original, actual picture of the car.
Okay. Yeah, I thought it was actually a dealer brochure when I first looked at it. It's so authentic looking. But the car itself is amazing. Is this original? The paint, the finish? What
Yes.
have you done to it, if anything?
The car is original paint. The only thing that I did to the car was the wheels got them powder coated, but everything else is all original.
Beautiful. Yeah, I seen this car, what, about a year and a half ago we met? I didn't have my equipment with me, but I was amazed at the car, and I definitely remembered the car. This is one of those cars that usually gets neglected. It's run into the ground, kind of a throwaway car that's spent its last days rotting in the back of somebody's yard, but this one is really, really preserved well. Toyota Corolla, I see you've got the period correct license plate with the 81 tag. Very nice. 1.8. What color is this? Is there a name to this color, or is it just?
It's a yellow. Don't know. I just got the code number for the paint job, but I'm not sure the actual name for the car.
Okay, so it's just basically a code for the shade of yellow.
Yes.
All the trim on this thing is perfect. The plastic is perfect. Whatever the backstory is on this car, it really is really a testament to the owners. The door gaps are beautiful. The hood gap, the cowl gap. I mean, I walked around this car and I was amazed at its condition. This is like factory fresh. Original paint. Look at that bumper. I see you've got dressing on the bumper and the tires, but they look like they're in great shape. Can we open the driver's door?
Yes.
Nice clean door panel. I see they added speakers. Was that the previous owner?
Previous owners installed some speakers, and it has an old radio to it. Doesn't have the factory radio.
Okay, are you in search of the factory radio?
I am searching for the factory radio and the factory bezel. If somebody could help me out searching for that radio bezel.
Okay. Folks, if you know anybody that's got an 80 Toyota Corolla that has a bezel, maybe they're parting out. Edwin needs that bezel to go with his radio so he can install the factory radio. So if you got a lead on that, please leave a comment below. Give us a contact maybe. This is what, a 3-speed or a 4-speed?
4-speed.
4-speed. Get the 3 pedals. And all of this is original, this interior?
It's all original. The factory interior.
Seats look beautiful. That carpet's original?
Yes, everything is original on the carpet.
Wow. I really don't see any wear in here. Usually the plastic starts fading and cracking and just looking drying out, but I don't see that in here in any way. This is obviously a garage car. The headliner looks great. You don't really see these cars this perfect. You know, these were beaters. These were cars that got driven hard and abused and neglected. No rust on this, right?
No rust.
You got the factory splash guards. That's pretty cool. 13-inch or 14-inch tires?
13-inch wheels.
13-inch wheels?
Yes.
Looks like the wheel wells are nice and clean. Is the undercarriage solid?
It's solid, but then again, it's got a couple scratches. But other than that, it's all
It's all original?
All original.
The door jambs look beautiful. You can even see the seam where the door was mounted on the frame. It's kind of rolled around and pressed. No Bondo in there at all. The latches look great. Yeah, this thing is amazing. Can we pop the hood?
Yes, sir.
This is one of those cars you just don't see at shows. So much effort put into a car that's forgotten like this. What are we looking at here? It's a 4-cylinder?
It's a 4-cylinder, 1.8 engine, VC.
About 80, 90 horsepower, would you say?
It has 90 horsepower, 4-speed.
All original?
All of them.
How's it run for you?
Runs pretty good. It got air conditioner.
It's detailed nice.
Yes.
What is this? Is this a factory stamping?
No,
Japanese made?
that's just a sticker that where the guy that had it put a sticker there.
It says Japanese made, Americana modified, American merit modified. It's pretty neat. Very nicely detailed. I mean, look at this. All the screws, the clips, everything's been polished or maintained. I see you added a fan to it.
Yes, I added the fan just to help the air conditioner cool better.
Does it cool the engine better?
Yes, it does.
Definitely works.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the connections on that battery. Everything is really nicely cleaned and detailed in here. Beautiful presentation. Let's look at the side of this car. Even sits right.
Yes, look at the lines on it.
Yeah, the way the sun's hitting this car, you can see the body lines.
Yep.
It is laser straight. Look at that line.
Yes.
Down the middle of the fender.
No dents, no
No
nothing.
dents, just above the side moldings. That line carries on. You can see this car has never been touched. Right through the back here where the gas cap is. Unleaded fuel only. Did all these Corollas have locks on it?
Yes, it did.
That's pretty cool. Can we open the passenger door?
Yes.
Very nice. I see you've got the model. When did you get that? Or did that come with the car?
No, I purchased that. Last year I got it done.
And it says, your car, your color. How
That's
about
the
that?
actual car, the actual interior, the same wheels, everything just like the car.
How about that? See, when the car is done and perfect, then you're focusing on little trinkets to go with it.
Yes.
There's nothing left to do to the car, so now you got to buy all the little goodies. Love it. And you can see how nice that carpet is. Look at that transom. The carpet's perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Look at that.
All
I'd
original.
love to know the history of this. Somebody really loved and preserved this car. Can we look at the trunk?
Yes, sir.
Let's get these taillights. Look how clear these taillights are. You've got the
owner's manual.
owner's manual.
I had the little bag for the tools.
Oh, that's the bag right there. It has tools?
No, the jack tools.
Oh, for the jack tools.
Yes.
Gotcha. Look how they did the, I guess that's undercoating spray?
That's undercoating. Back in the 80s, they used to put undercoating to prevent the panels to get unrusted.
It's like they put a little patch over the opening,
Yes.
and then they just sprayed it.
Mm-hmm.
It backs up to the light there. Interesting. Little shock towers, I guess they are?
Yes, yes they
in
are.
the corners. Very clean in here. Is that the original mat?
That's the original mat.
Wow. Toyota Corolla. And you have the period license plate.
Yes,
the
I do.
1981 Pennsylvania registration tag. Nice taillights. Well, I love the car, Edwin. Rarely do you see these Corollas done this nice, this perfect.
Well, this is hard to find. This is like trying to find one of these is hard. It's especially on a factory paint car. It's hard to find.
Yeah, the original paint, the original interior. You had said you had this ceramic coated.
Yes, the only thing I did to the car was ceramic coat the paint, and that's about it.
What are your plans with it? You gonna hold on to it?
Hold
Keep showing
on
it?
and give it to my son when he gets bigger.
Yeah, that's usually what happens to cars like this. It has a lot more value to you than anyone else, and
Yes.
it'll have a lot of value to your son. Well, I love your car, Edwin.
I appreciate it.
The JDM market is really coming on strong. Obviously, this is a little bit unusual even for that market, Corolla, 1980 Corolla. They haven't really gotten any love over the years since they were new. They were kind of used and abused, but it's great to see something this perfect unrestored and original. Paint, interior, just the radio modifications and the electric fan, and that's about it. But Edwin, thanks for showing us your car.
I appreciate it for you having me in your show.
I appreciate you showing it to us. Folks, tell us what you think. 1980 Toyota Corolla. If you like the video, like it. Leave your comments below. Definitely like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, Edwin.
Thank you.